Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some very foggy conditions across the region, currently seeing visibility less than a quarter mile with fog. We do have a boundary just south of our region that's going to be moving north of our area as a warm front this morning. That's going to continue to give us the fog throughout the morning hours as well as low clouds, and we'll also see a slight chance of a thunderstorm and rain likely this morning. As we move into the afternoon hours, going to see a potent area low pressure developing off to our north and west. That's going to give us chances of showers and thunderstorms as we'll be in the warm sector of that low, and even a possibility of a strong to severe storm across the region as well. So we do have some instability and a fairly strong wind field across the region for this afternoon. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have this boundary across the region this morning. It's going to be lifting north of our area today. We have a area showers as well as a few embedded thunderstorms off to our north and west, showers off to the south and west. It's going to be moving through our region for this morning, and then we'll see additional showers and thunderstorms developing across the area this afternoon. Our current observation, we have a vertical visibility of 200 feet, quarter-mile statute visibility with fog, winds out of the east-northeast at 7 knots, temperature 50 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of clouds across the region this morning, seeing some convective type clouds, some cumulus clouds off to our west, also seeing some showers and thunderstorms well off to our south this morning, associated with some heavier showers and thunderstorms well off to our south. But overall today we're going to see lots of clouds across the region, especially during the morning hours with fog and low clouds. And we move in the afternoon hours, should see those low clouds start to move higher or rise to around 1,000 to 1,500 feet. Could see some breaks in those low clouds, and that's going to give us a little bit of sunshine possible this afternoon, and that's going to fuel our instability for the afternoon and the evening hours as I mentioned, this potent area low pressure develops off to our north and to our west, giving us warmer air across the region as well as a chance of thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. So looking at the HERM model for today, you can see these showers moving through this morning. Then we move in the afternoon hours, a break in the activity. Most likely we'll only see some isolated to very isolated showers during the mid-afternoon hours today as showers and thunderstorms develop off to our north and west and then approach the region by about 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon into the evening hours, and that looks like our best chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms is during the evening hours today. Some of those could be strong to severe. As I mentioned, we'll have some instability across the region as well as some strong winds in the lower and upper levels, so seeing that dynamics come together, possibility of seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms across the region. As we move into the overnight hours, going to see a possibility of an additional thunderstorm with the actual cold front, secondary cold front moving through during the late evening hours into the early overnight hours. And with that, we'll see some strong winds post-frontal right around midnight tonight. Some of the models are showing wind gusts of 40 to 45 miles an hour with this cold front moving through. So should see a brief period of some windy conditions as that cold front moves through during the late evening into the overnight hours. As we move into our Thursday, going to see in general mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies in the morning. Then we'll see an upper level disturbance moving through the region for Thursday afternoon. That's going to give us some breezy conditions as well as a chance of a shower, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. So looking like we'll have a good Thursday morning and then turning a bit more unsettled once again for Thursday afternoon. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see those rain showers likely this morning, seeing the wind starting to pick up out of the southeast to south-southeast, and we should see a wind advisory by this afternoon with those winds out of the south around 12 to 17 knots, gusting up as 26 knots. And then when that cold front does move through, current forecast is northwest 15 to 20 knots, gust to 37 knots with that cold front moving through right around midnight tonight. As far as the thunderstorm chances go, we'll see a 50% chance of a thunderstorm. That's our best chance between 1,600 and 20 local. Then we'll see some lower chances this morning of 20% between now and noon, and a 30% chance between 20 local and midnight this evening. Our high today should be around 68, but that will be brief during the evening hours right before that line of storms moves through the region. Going to see temperatures in general today in the mid-upper 50s, and that brief time period where we see temperatures in the lower 60s, and then possibly getting up in the upper 60s right before that front moves through. Our low tonight will be around 46 degrees, and we'll see winds calming overnight and a southwest wind around 5-10 knots tomorrow morning under mostly sunny skies. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see low clouds in here throughout the day today, seeing those ceilings move up to possibly 1,500 feet by 1,600 local, but we'll see those showers and thunderstorms in the region at that time. So not going to see very good sky conditions in general today, as we'll have low ceilings and chances of thunderstorms when we don't have low ceilings in the region. Our tides are about 1 foot above normal currently. And looking at Thursday into Friday, Thursday mostly clear to partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy overcast, a chance of a shower and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon and evening. It'll be breezy on Thursday with a high of 60 degrees. Thursday night, slight chance of a shower and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm during the evening, becoming partly cloudy and slightly breezy, a low of 42. And for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy and breezy, a slight chance of brief rain shower. We'll see a high of 57 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock in like 7 days.